Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkhuliso. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. I-Kaizer Chiefs i-linked to ucoach wase-Portugal bafowethu uPedro. Lo-ke wacoacha i-Angola national team and then wenza ey'bukwayo and kukhona i-cup ake walwina and bashaye Bafana Bafana 3-0 that time ucoacha loya coach loya. So ucoach one-experience on the continental level, but masibheka uPedro wakhona bafethu akanayo i-experience kakhulu ebholeni because ucoach nje ku-senior level ucoach i-Angola nje kuphela, but-ke uyakwazi ukusebenza ne-youth kahle. Abanye abo-coach before singena kuPedro singababala bafowethu noma esingakhuluma ngabo, uJose Riveiro, abantu abakhuluma ngaye kakhulu, noPitso Mosimane. Jose Riveiro-ke waqala ukuba linked to i-Kaizer Chiefs that time kuthiwa i-Al Ahly iyamxosha, but i-Kaizer Chiefs beyingakam-approach, ayikazi im-approach uJose Riveiro, but-ke ama-media speculations waqala ukuflya around ukuthi potentially maybe ucoach angajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs. But sibuyeleni emagameni kaJose Riveiro bafethu ukuthi Jose Riveiro wathi ngeke acoache enye team ngaphandle kwe-Orlando Pirates, but obviously maybe bekakushiso i-loyalty at the time ukufila ngathi uya ku-Al Ahly, ngicabanga ukuthi ku-Al Ahly uzohlala isikhathi eside kanti izinto zakhe ngeke zikwazi ukusebenza laphana ku-Al Ahly, because there's no way ukuthi acoach isikhathi esincane kanje ku-Al Ahly and then athole i-high profile job let's say e-Europe, because bekumele aziprove ku-Al Ahly yase-Egypt kuphela, but unfortunately akakwazanga ukuprova lapha. But him coming to South Africa it's gonna be very difficult, but again ilokhu njana i-South African football obviously uyayazi, I think well equipped ukuthi angakwazi ukucoach i-Kaizer Chiefs, but awekho ama-solid reports or into engasapota i-statement sokuthi uJose Riveiro angeza ku-Kaizer Chiefs or uza ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Why? Because into eqale ey'laphana ku-Al Ahly immediately babamxosha already, even ama-publications asibulala isikhathi esiningi because areport-a iy'ndaba ezingekho verify, number one, ezingekho verify at all. Into esingayi-verifya or esiyizwayo ukuthi uPedro ucoach, u-former coach we-Angola wuye i-Kaizer Chiefs em-approach-ile and bareport-a kuphi lena ePortugal kwela kubo, khona abantu abareport-ayo abathi i-Kaizer Chiefs em-approach-ile yambuza about umsebenzi, izinto ezinjalo. Sazi ukuthi bavumelene nge-deal or abakavumelani nge-deal, but i-Kaizer Chiefs ikhulumile noPedro ucoach bafowethu. Then uPitso Mosimane naye, uPitso Mosimane kudala linked to i-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu, kudala kusinto eqala manje ukuthi potentially-ke angayithatha i-Kaizer Chiefs ayiphakamisa ayibeke esicongweni, but-ke loko asikwazi until uPitso Mosimane eyafikela yena ku-Kaizer Chiefs sobona ukuthi angakwazi ukuphakamisa i-Kaizer Chiefs. Enye into like engastopha uPitso Mosimane from ukuza ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi uPitso Mosimane uyadura and uza ne-team yakhe, but at the same time into esingayimenshina lana ukuthi ucoach Nabi ku-Kaizer Chiefs uze ne-team yakhe yonke. I-Kaizer Chiefs imvumela ukuthi aze ne-team yakhe, ama-assistant coach wakhe, ama-goalkeeper coach wakhe, izinto ezikanjalo. Maybe if banganika uPitso Mosimane leso supportive structure then-ke angakwazi ukujoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs. Same thing uRhulani Mokwena bekayidinga laphana ku-Orlando Pirates ukuthi bamsayine noma asayine ne-Orlando Pirates, but Orlando Pirates beyifuna ukugcina ama-assistant coach lesi yabomandla Ncikazi nabanye, then uRhulani Mokwena azange ayivumeke i-deal ye-Orlando Pirates leyo problem leyo. So uPitso Mosimane if bazothi ayeze ku-Kaizer Chiefs but-ke engezi ne-team yakhe ngeke akuvume lokho. So it's gonna be very difficult ustrike i-deal noPitso Mosimane. One, i-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu abo-Kaizer, Motaung, Junior bahlezi base-stadium njalo siyababona nabo-Bobby, so bayasifaka isandla ku-team noma ku-technical team ukuthi yenze kanjani kwezinye iy'ndawo. uPitso Mosimane akusiwo ucoach abangamtshela, ucoach owenza izinto ngendlela yakhe. So kulama-team lawa amakhulu isikhathi esiningi lala e-South Africa, especially ama-Soweto Giants, Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs, ucoach akenza umsebenzi wakhe freely, nabo bafuna ukuba highly dictative or ba-dictate, yes, ba-dictate the way ucoach arana ngakhona i-team enza ngakhona, nabo as management bafuna ukuba there. Kanti when you hire a coach kumele umthembe ucoach ukuthi uzokwenza izinto zenzeka adelive. So a South African coach bazofuna vele ukumlawula, so it's a ku-obvious isikhathi esiningi ukuthi vele bayabalawula o-coach ngoba bahlezi bekhona e-stadium isikhathi esiningi, bafuna nabo ukuba highly influential. But yeah, I mean, just wait and see sibone ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izomisa kanjani, but umuntu efuna ukumkhava lana bafethu ucoach uPedro ukuthi uzomisa kanjani nanokuthi isitori sakhe sihamba kanjani. Kaizer Chiefs njalo ihlezi kuma-headlines, obviously idrama ihlezi khona, and obviously-ke they're always chasing obviously i-glory days yabo le a few years back, you know. So ucoach Nabi-ke siyazi ukuthi-ke unenkinga kakhulu ne-Kaizer Chiefs, babheka i-common ground noma ukuthi bazosolve indaba kanjani. Already khona ucoach heavily uye ucoach bafowethu heavily linked to i-Kaizer Chiefs, because to i-Kaizer Chiefs they've reached out laphana babheka ucoach wase-Portugal. So masibheka overall, I mean uNabi isikhathi sakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs azange sibe side kakhulu, kusho ukuthi uNabi ucoache one full season laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Njengoba namanje kusase-stand still i-Kaizer Chiefs ayikakasho lutho ngo-coach Nabi, but-ke isikhathi saka-coach Nabi siphele fast. Why? Because of i-disagreement between yena ne-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs, baya-interfere emsebenzini wakhe, nanokuthi-ke ayikho i-trust between uNabi ne-Kaizer Chiefs, abamyekeli ucoach Nabi azenzele umsebenzi wakhe. So i-problem mina eqhubekayo laphana ukuthi ama-coaches aya-change laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs isikhathi esiningi, and leyo nto leyo yenza i-team ukuthi ingabi stable kakhulu, and it cause ukuthi nama-players anga-understand ama-systems wama-coach. Imagine ucoach wabo, let's say 5 years ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uzocoach wabo team ama-coach awu-5. So I mean that's just kills i-player ukuthi okay sengi-adapte kule system le, so kumele ngi-adapte kwenye futhi i-system ngoba kuzomunye ucoach omusha. Ama-fans obviously aba-frustrated, afila ngathi i-club ayina vision nanokuthi ayikwazi ukugcina o-coach, because you can't change njalo. Even no-Bobby Mtaung naye ngikhumbula athi Orlando Pirates athi njengoba uJose Rivero hamba bazostruggle, bayayazi lento lena nabo babuya kubo, so babuya kuyo lento le. So every season iqala ngama-promises, coach omusha, a new vision, new players, but mid season kuba nama-frustration-ke lapha no-Kaizer Chiefs, and then basearcha for omunye ucoach. Sazi ukuthi bazoqhubeka nalabo co-coaches wabo, but funny enough, like, or ngithi lucky enough, labo co-coaches bayabathemba on the ground, abantu bathi abanikwe isikhathi, but ucoach Nabi amanye ama-report athi ufuna ukuhamba no-coach bakhe laphana. So uPetro-ke bafowethu ucoach wase-Portugal, owaqala ucoach laphana kuma-youth systems laphana e-Portugal. So ucoach one-experience in terms of i-youth kakhulu, because usacoache ama-youth teams more than ama-senior teams. Aswabala ama-team awacoachile bafowethu laphana ucoach, cause masibheka i-CV yakhe ayikakabi that powerful. Ucoache i-Amora bafowethu kudala. I-Amora-ke i-team manje edlala laphana ku-third division, and then ucoache futhi i-Cover, and then wacoacha-ke i-team enkulu ayicoachile Sporting, but uku-youth coach wonke lawo bafowethu. And then wacoacha-ke i-team yase-Angola, i-One Day Agosto, yes. And then-ke wacoacha i-Angola under 20, wacoacha i-Angola under 17, and then the only team ayicoachile bafowethu, and then udlale 55 games khona, i-Angola national team. So ku-Angola national team-ke wenze ey'bukwayo, because ukwazile ukuyibeka endaweni e-right laphana i-Angola overall. Ama-achievement wakhe-ke bafowethu siyazi ukuthi AFCON laphana 2023 bafike kuma-quarter final, bokuyi-big statement for yena ucoach laphana, ukuthi afike laphana kuma-quarter final we-continental level, because siyazi ukuthi at times thola ukuthi Angola there are times la banga-qualify for i-continental level. So I mean they really needed that thing ukuthi baphushe benze izinto zenzeke laphana ku-Angola. Lucky enough bebano-coach, ucoach obhilivele kuma-player, and then okwazile like ukubuilda i-team strong. Why akwazile ukubuilda i-team strong? Ukuthi uhlalile lapha e-Angola for some time, and then uqale kuma-youth structures or development wase-Angola before apromotiwa to the highest team, or ngithi to the senior national team, and then wakwazi-ke uku-achieve izinto ezi-right, and through yena i-Angola national team ikwazile uku-achieve izinto ngempela ezi-tangible ey'balekayo, cause ukwazile ukuwina i-COSAFA laphana, la kushawa khona futhi i-South Africa 3-0, la i-South Africa bekubonakala ngathi izoyithatha i-COSAFA. So ubuilde i-reputation as a coach ukuthi u-organize in terms of like young squad bafowethu, and u-instilla i-discipline kakhulu. So akusi just nje ucoach wase-Europe, but ucoach bafowethu okwaziyo ukucoacha ebholeni lase-Africa, and then ocoach ebholeni lase-Africa for the first time ku-senior team, but wenza kahle kakhulu, understanda ilo African football, and usebenzile nama-youth development systems wase-Africa overall, and then uyibonisile i-technical intelligence laphana ku-AFCON, njengoba kwazile ukufika kuma-quarter finals. I mean maybe i-CV yakhe ucoach ongakwazi ukucoach Kaizer Chiefs, but at the same time akaze acoache i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi afile i-pressure at this level, but-ke sothini, because ukwazile ukuthatha i-Angola ayibeke le esicongweni, nanokuthi iphinde ibe respectable futhi on the continental level. I-Kaizer Chiefs maybe-ke asibheke ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs why im-approach-ile or approach agent lakhe ebuza ngo-coach. I-Kaizer Chiefs obviously-ke kune-lack of creativity, poor mentality kuma-big games. Amanye ubona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayidlali as i-team ukuthi bathembane bona. Angifuni ukubuyela kwi-incident le yakamayo esibonisayo ngempela ukuthi abanye abantu bafuna ukudlala babheke individual glory than ukuthi badlale as a collective, as a-team overall. I mean kumele babe ne-mentality strong. I mean technically kumele babe discipline and babe ne-structure laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall, and ability yokuthi bakwazi ukuthola ama-results. Kaizer Chiefs i-desperate for ukuthi ibe stable and then ibe ne-winning identity. And if sibukele i-Angola laphana kuma-AFCON sibonile i-team edlala nge-purpose bafowethu, compact laphana ku-defense and then enama-counter attacks agude, edlala nge-believe. So manje cabanga-ke leso structure leso siku-Kaizer Chiefs, i-team ene-talent but i-true core identity ayikho. UPetro yinto angayiletha laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, i-blueprint eshodayo bafowethu overall. I mean i-competition yaku-Kaizer Chiefs, i-competition ye-Kaizer Chiefs kuthiwa ne-Al Ahly ike yakhuluma no-coach. Obviously Al Ahly siyazi ukuthi ne-financial muscles ingayishaya nje lula i-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of ukukhompyutha, but I don't think ukuthi Al Ahly they can go for this coach. Why? Akanayo experience kakhulu on the continental level, and then abantu be-Al Ahly-ke bafethu abadlali in terms of i-fan base nabanye, because bafuna umuntu one-experience, abafuna umuntu ozothatha ama-chance ozokhuphuka nge-Al Ahly, bafuna umuntu oseziprovile overall. So yeah, i-Kaizer Chiefs, I mean bam-approach I think 2 weeks ago coach, kunesikhathi bam-approachile, just kumele basolve indaba ka-Coach Nabi and then babone ukuthi bayakwazi ukumthola lo coach noma bakwazi ukumthola, or behind the scenes seba-close, asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempela because Kaizer Chiefs ayikakasho lutho. Ama-fans I think from u-coach banga-expecta ukuthi mhlampe angaletha ibhola eli-exciting, because technically ubuya laphana ePortugal. I mean technically good and then uyali-understand ngempela ibhola, but i-risk ukuthi a-adapte fast laphana ku-PSL, because i-Kaizer Chiefs futhi izodlala amagame amaningi, i-PSL ne-CAF Confederations Cup namanye ama-cup competitions. But Kaizer Chiefs they have to really decide ukuthi soon ukuthi bakhipha lama-co-coaches or they go all out for ucoach omusha. If uyakwazi ukujoyina laphana i-Kaizer Chiefs uzoba ne-defense eba ne-structure bafethu, ama-counter attacking plays, so abone i-focus ekudeveloping ama-youngsters. Yes, angaba important-ke lo coach ukudevelopa umfundo Vilakazi noMduduzi Shabalala namanye ama-players laphana asuka ku-DDC team. Why? Because isesebenzile nama-youngsters amaningi bafowethu, so uyawa-understand ama-youngsters ne-culture yokudlalisa ama-youngsters. Under ucoach Nabe ama-player lese ku-Kaizer Chiefs super talented, awakwazanga ukudevelopa to the highest level. Why angakwazanga ukudevelopa to the highest level? Coach Nabi akabhiliveli ngathi bafana nabancane number one, because baningi abafana laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bekuloke kuthiwa bazojoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs senior team, ba-linked to i-senior team but-ke abadlali laphana ku-senior team. So la ucoach ama-under 17, ucoach ama-under 20, ucoach even ama-youth teams laphana different parts of the world. So ucoach ongaletha something laphana akwazi ukumikisa ama-senior team even nama-youngsters laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs angaba important kakhulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. But-ke let's just wait and see sibone ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izomisa kanjani. UPetro uJose Rivera, for mina uJose Rivera chance ukuthi ujoin i-Kaizer Chiefs incane kakhulu. Peter Msimane will only join i-Kaizer Chiefs if bazomnika lento le ayifunayo, which is i-freedom yakhe ukuthi akwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke yedwa without interference ye-technical team. Asizibambeni lana okwamanje. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, si-making sure ukuthi le page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers. I would like to say thank you kuwo wonke umuntu opressa u-like, kuwo wonke umuntu okhomentayo, kuwo wonke umuntu olandela le page since day one. Baningi kakhulu abantu abalandela le page, ababukelayo but bafowethu subscribe. I mean mangibheka inumber abantu ababukela le page baningi, hundreds of thousands, but i-subscription ihleli ku-12,000. Asizameni ukukhuphuka bafowethu.